Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Sumaya, and if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. And today I'm gonna show you Eid Special Up-do hairstyle, so if you're interested to know this hairstyle, then keep on watching. First of all, I applied Eco Aloe hair coating essence, then I created a high ponytail the way you can see. After that, I'm gonna grab my donut bun and then I'm gonna place it on the top of my ponytail. Then for covering the donut bun, I'm gonna spread my hair all around it, and then with the help of two elastic, I'm gonna give it a shape of a bun. After that, I'm gonna grab a chunk of hair and then I'm gonna create a knot, except pulling the remaining hair out. After that, I'm gonna fix it with hairpins on the top of the bun. Fix it tight so that it don't fall out. Then I'm gonna add a chunk of hair with the remaining hair. After that, I'm gonna give it a slight comb. Then I'm gonna create a knot without pulling the remaining hair out. So basically these are the steps. So if you follow these steps, you're gonna do the hairstyle perfectly, and it's a bit tricky, but trust me, if you see the steps and if you follow the steps, you're gonna do much better than me. I'm gonna grab two chunk of hair and then I'm gonna fix it at the back of the bun to hide the elastic by crisscrossing it, and then I'm gonna fix it with one hairpin. You can apply hairspray at the end for flyaways and also for long lasting. I complete the look with a touch of pearl pins. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and Eid Mubarak to you all. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and bye for today.